thought it would last. They thought it was permanent. But the system corrects itself. Sky turned heavy, pressure builds. Silence breaks across the fields. No more warnings, no more signs, just the end of borrowed time. Every structure, every throne, built on sand, now overthrown. All the noise, the pride, the claim, washed away without a name. You felt the shift, you saw the cracks, but no one thought it would come like that. Flood, reset, let it fall. Wipe the system, cleanse it all. Every lie, every throne, dragged beneath what can't be controlled. No escape, no delay. Everything gets washed away when the weight breaks through the crust. All returns to what was just. Not revenge, not blind rage, but correction on a global stage. Too much drift, too much bend, system breaks before it mends. Giants walked and truth got lost, power grew without a cost. Now the balance reappears, washing out corrupted years. It's not chaos, it's design. When the system realigns, flood, reset, let it fall. Wipe the system, cleanse it all. Every lie, every throne, dragged beneath what can't be controlled. No escape, no delay. Everything gets washed away when the weight breaks through the crust. All returns to what was just. Not was just. Not destruction, correction, not the end, but direction. Let it rise, let it roar. Break the false down to the core. What survives is what is real. What is built on truth will heal. After water, after pain, something clean will rise again. Not the same, not the old, but a system realigned and whole. When it's over, you'll see what was real was always meant to